I'm just going to give you 5 or 6 basic sentences and I'll close. Firstly, that Bharat stands united like never before. That's a key message. Because आपने कहा कि भाई हम भी हमारे मल्टीनेशनल दोस्तों से मिलते हैं यहाँ पे, मैसेज क्या है, क्या हम बोले उनको, भारत परिवर्तित हो गया तो कैसे परिवर्तित हो गया. So Bharat stands united like never before. Second, Pakistan's terrorism is not only India's problem, it's the world's problem. If Pak is going to do a terror somewhere in the vicinity of India, that terrorism can reach anywhere. So we need to be careful. 3, Operation Sindoor has changed the whole perception of India's fight against terror. An act of terror on India will be considered as an act of war. That had never happened before. So the new India, the new story is, you come and hit us, we're going to hit you with our missiles right where you are sleeping. Make no mistake of that.